as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, pass wet hands over a part of your head. Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 6. And Hazrat Ibn Musayyib said, a woman should pass wet hands over her head as a man does. Imam Malik rahmatullah alayh was asked, is it enough to pass wet hands over some part of a head? He made the hadith of Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd his proof. Hazrat Amr bin Yahya Mazini reports from his father. A man said to Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu, who was the grandfather of Amr bin Yahya, can you demonstrate to me how Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform ablution? Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu said, yes. Then he asked for water, poured it on his hands and washed them twice. Thereafter he gargled and drew the water up into the nose thrice. Then he washed the face thrice, and after that washed the forearms including the elbows twice. Afterwards he passed his both wet hands over his head by taking them from the front to the back, from the beginning of the head to the nape of the neck, then took them hands back to the place from where he started. Then he washed both feet. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 185.